Hey, hello. Good morning. How the devil are you? Zoom in. You okay? I thought you were up there. Get some breakfast sorted now. Yeah. 5 minutes. Oh, she's come for a closer look. Chicken's defrosting. Isn't he? Huh? Well, it's my phone. You let her. Let's get close up to you. Right there. Go that way. There you are. There you are. She's getting closer to the chickens. Isn't you? Hello. Look right to my eyes then. Edna. And I won't hurt you. Right, ready for the hot chicken. Go on, eh? Right. Lovely soft teeth there, Edna. Take it up then. Go on, take it up. Oh, I'd eaten you. Boom shakalak.